Before buying a racing helmet, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. It's not just about looks or price. It's all about safety, comfort, and features that can actually make a difference on track day. Product number 1, ILM Snell SA 2025 Full Face Helmet. First up, we have the ILM Snell SA 2025 Full Face Helmet. I was immediately drawn to its sleek matte black finish, which gives it a professional look. Priced at $316.22, it's not the cheapest option, but if you want top-notch safety and performance, this is worth a serious look. This is huge because a lighter helmet means less strain on your neck during those high-speed turns. Plus, it's designed with double D-rings for secure fastening and is compatible with HANS devices, which can prevent head and neck injuries in case of an accident. The 40mm sunshade film on the visor minimizes glare, which is a game changer when you're racing under bright sunlight. The high-density EPS inner padding is fire retardant and enhances comfort, so you can focus on the race. Now, some people complained about the fit being a bit snug for larger head sizes. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a helmet that's lightweight and safe, a snug fit often ensures better protection. Just make sure to check the sizing guide before buying. This helmet is perfect for serious racers who prioritize safety and comfort. Skip this one if you're just looking for a casual or low-budget option, because this helmet is for those who mean business on the track. Now, if the snug fit of the ILM helmet concerns you, the next option offers a bit more space and ventilation. Product number 2, ILM Snell SA 2020 Full Face Helmet. Next up is another ILM product, the Snell SA 2020 Full Face Helmet, priced at $278.28. Its matte black finish is similar, and it caught my eye for its solid features. If you're looking for an affordable yet high-quality helmet, this one's worth a serious look. It has a fiber-reinforced plastic shell and weighs 4.94 pounds, a little heavier than the previous one but still manageable. The 40mm sunshade film again helps with glare, which is super important when you're focused on the track. It features high-density EPS inner padding for comfort, and the double D-ring ensures a snug fit. Plus, it's compatible with HANS devices to keep you safe when the adrenaline is pumping. However, some users mentioned that the padding can wear out quicker than expected. Here's the thing though, you can always replace the padding, and considering the price, it's a small trade-off for a helmet that offers great protection. This is perfect for weekend racers or those on a budget who still want a reliable helmet. Skip this one if you need the latest safety certification. It's slightly older but still performs well. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer an open face designs. Product number 3, Conquer Snell SA 2025 Open Face Helmet. Now let's talk about the Conquer Snell SA 2025 Open Face Helmet, available for $290.88. This helmet caught my attention because of its lightweight fiberglass construction and stylish design. If you want a helmet that feels free and airy while still offering safety, this one's a solid choice. The lightweight fiberglass shell ensures you won't feel weighed down during those long track days. Plus, it has a fire-retardant Nomex interior, which adds an extra layer of safety. The optimal airflow venting design keeps you cool, which is crucial when you're pushing your limits on the track. The Kevlar chin strap feels sturdy yet comfortable, ensuring it stays in place. Some users did mention that the open-face design can be a bit noisy at high speeds. Here's the thing, while that can be bothersome, many racers prefer the open feel for better visibility and a more connected driving experience. This is perfect for those who prioritize comfort and visibility, especially if you're used to open-face designs. Skip it if you prefer full coverage for that added protection. Now, if you like the idea of an open face but want a different color option, this next one has you covered. Product number 4, Conquer Snell SA 2025 Open Face Helmet White. Next is another Conquer Snell SA 2025 Open Face Helmet, but this time in classic white, also priced at $290.88. The color might seem like a small detail, but it can reflect your personality or match your car's aesthetic. If style matters to you as much as safety, take a look at this one. Just like its black sibling, this helmet is Snell SA 2025 certified and features a lightweight fiberglass shell. The comfort fit with fire-retardant padding is key for long hours on the track. The airflow venting system is still present, keeping you cool during those intense races. And of course, the HANS threaded inserts mean you can easily add safety devices. One complaint I've heard is that the white color can get dirty quickly. But honestly, if you're serious about racing, you're going to clean it after every use anyway, so it's not a major drawback. This is perfect for racers who want a stylish look without compromising on safety. Skip this if you prefer a darker color for less maintenance. Finally, if you want something with a bit more versatility, the last helmet on my list offers an interesting blend of features. Product number 5. ILM Snell SA 2025 Full Face Helmet White. Last on our list is the ILM Snell SA 2025 Full Face Helmet in white, retailing for $316.22. This one caught my eye for its striking design and safety features. If you want a helmet that combines function with a stylish look, this is definitely worth a look. It has a lightweight fiberglass shell and weighs 2.29 kilograms, making it easy to wear during long race days. The 40mm sunshade film again helps reduce glare, which is essential for maintaining focus. Again, the EPS inner padding ensures comfort and fire safety, while the double D-ring provides a secure fit. And like the others, it's compatible with HANS devices. One downside I saw mentioned is that it can feel a bit tight for those with larger head sizes. Here's the thing, a snug fit can actually enhance safety, but it's crucial to measure your head correctly before purchasing. This helmet is perfect for serious racers who want the latest safety features without sacrificing style. Skip it if you need extra room, otherwise it's a great choice. So there you have it. We've covered some solid options for racing helmets, from budget-friendly to high-end choices, all focused on keeping you safe and comfortable on the track. To wrap it up, we've looked at 5 fantastic racing helmets. The ILM Snell SA 2025 Full Face, the ILM Snell SA 2020 Full Face, the Conquer Snell SA 2025 Open Face in black, the Conquer Snell SA 2025 Open Face in white, and lastly, the ILM Snell SA 2025 Full Face in white. Each helmet has its strengths, from safety ratings to comfort features. At the end of the day, it really depends on what you're looking for, whether it's style, comfort, or maximum safety. Choose wisely and stay safe out there on the track.